Hey folks, Mark Brown here from the Azure Cosmos DB team. Build is back, both in person and again virtual this year. Cosmos DB is going to be there in a big way with no fewer than 10 different sessions or demos or product roundtables or labs. This year, it's going to be huge. And I wanted to share with you all the places you can see sessions or content for Azure Cosmos DB this year, both in person and live on demand. So I'm going to spend a few minutes just kind of going through all the things we got for you. And I'll put up little links here that you can see and then kind of write down if you want. And that'll take you right straight to this page that I'm going to show you for each of the sessions or each of the things we've got for Cosmos DB this year. So first up, build scalable cloud-native applications with AKS and Cosmos DB. This is going to be on Wednesday, May 24th from 1:30 p.m. to 2:15. This is going to be an in-person session. Will also be digital as well. So come join us for that session. There. Next up, we've got modernize MongoDB workloads with Azure Cosmos DB. This is a demo session. This will last 15 minutes. This will be on Tuesday, May 23rd, 11:30 a.m. to 11:45. And Gal Levy is going to walk us through some new stuff for our MongoDB vCore offering. Also, coming up after that, this is kind of hard to do with all these different things to click. We're going to have yours truly there. I'm going to be following up Gal. And I'm going to show you something cool I've been working on. I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm going to share with you something very new that you're going to hear about. But the text of this thing, or the guts of it, is going to be building next generation retail with Azure OpenAI and Azure Cosmos DB. So come check out that demo. You are not going to want to miss it. I promise you. Okay, what's next here? We've got a friend of the company, or a friend of the team at least, Brian Benz. He's going to show you using Azure Cosmos DB with Logic Apps and AI to store and analyze images. So come check out that session. That is Wednesday, May 24th at 11:15 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Next up, we got more and more coming. We've got a lab. This is a lab that I built. This is building a chatbot using Azure OpenAI and Azure Cosmos DB, running on Blazor server on Azure Web Apps. You may have seen a blog post I put out, I guess about a month ago, that showed how to build kind of a simple chat experience for users using Cosmos DB to store all the prompts and completions. And then using Blazor to show you the user interface there. So I'll show you how I built it. I'll show you how you can build one too. All the information, all the guts is going to be right there. So come check us out for that. Next up, we have a discussion session, I believe this is called. So this is database capabilities you need for your next awesome app. This is going to be a couple of great startups that use Cosmos DB to build their product offerings. You'll get to listen to them talk about their story and their experiences using Cosmos DB, as well as other services as well available in Azure. So come check us out for that. That's Tuesday, May 23rd from 12:30 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. Next up, we're still not done. We've got a Learn Live session, model data for Azure Cosmos DB for Postgres. That's going to have Cedric and Gary on the team there. They're going to talk to you about how to model data for our new distributed SQL offering, Azure Cosmos DB for Postgres. So come see us for that. That's going to be digital only. So May 23rd, 1:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. On Tuesday, May 23rd there. So, okay, let's keep going. We're almost through all of it here. Next up, Azure Cosmos DB for MongoDB. This is going to be about choosing the right architecture. Oh, let me get the link up here. Is that it? There we go. How to choose the right architecture. So we've got two offerings now for Mongo. There's an RU-based model, which most of you are familiar with, and then a new vCore model that we announced back at Cosmos Conf back in, I guess, April. So Gall is going to talk about when do you choose which version of this thing for the applications that you're trying to build. So come see us for that. That's going to be Tuesday, May 23rd from 1:30 p.m. to 2:15 p.m. Pacific. Okay, we're almost there. 2 more to go. Next up, distributed NoSQL versus distributed SQL. When to use which for your cloud native application. This is going to be a discussion and Q&A session with myself and a partner on the team, Charles Feddersen. So if you're curious about when to choose a distributed SQL offering versus a distributed NoSQL, this is the session for you. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of each and when you would use one versus another in there. So come check us out. That's going to be in person Wednesday, May 24th from 12:15 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, last up, I can't believe we got through all of them here. Optimizing Azure Cosmos DB, strategies for cost efficiency and elasticity. This is going to be with Deborah Chen and Stephanie Arroyo on our team. Tuesday, May 23rd from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. You're going to hear about some really new, exciting stuff that we've been doing in our auto scale and elasticity features there. Talk about how you could take advantage of those and also how to drive even better efficiency through your use of autoscale with Azure Cosmos DB. So that's it for us, folks. We really hope you see us at Build this year. I'm really excited. I'm going to be there. A lot of us are going to be there. Come see us. You can come meet up with us as well. If we're in the booth area, just look for the data booth area there and come meet up with us on the team. So that's it, folks. We'll see you in a week. Bye-bye.